This literature kit on Maniac Magee by Jerry Spinelli includes helpful journal topics that offer extended writing activities and discussion prompts. 55 pages chock full of a variety of scaffolding strategies incorporated in our Before You Read worksheets for each chapter section, along with vocabulary prompts to prepare your students for the reading with rubrics, teacher guide, and author biography. Students come up with possible story ideas that could relate to the title Maniac. Illustrate the scene between McNab and Maniac. Students confront the idea of discrimination by identifying some of the ways people discriminate against other people. Find proof from the story to support the different qualities inhabited by Maniac and Grayson. Give meaning to expressions from the story and identify each as a simile or metaphor. 6 additional writing tasks follow. Supplement an existing unit with in-depth writing tasks, such as identifying a major and minor problem that Maniac faces in the story, and explaining each in a paragraph. A word search puzzle and comprehension quiz ends the unit. The easy marking answer key works by lining up perfectly with the matching question pages. 3 color posters, which are graphic organizers, completes the resource. Create the first episode of a fictional TV show based on the novel. Visit our website to see more novel study guides just like it.